So, my boss the other day asked me, Tom, tell me a little about yourself.
What did you say?
Uh, hello, I am Tom. I like bread?
Stop. Tom, did you freeze up again?
Yes, it's the hardest question in the world, Anna. My mind goes blank.
It's actually the easiest question if you know the formula.
There's a formula?
Yes. Today on Easy English for Beginners channel, we aren't just learning words. We are learning the three-step secret to introduce yourself perfectly in any situation, from a job interview to a party.
And stay tuned because at the end, I'm going to share the one mistake that 90% of students make without knowing it.
Let's get started.
Okay, Tom, step one is the basics, but we don't want to sound like a robot. Like, I am Tom, I am from Canada.
Exactly. That's boring. Let's upgrade it. Instead of just I am from, try I'm originally from place, but now I'm based in place.
Oh, I like that. So, I'm originally from a small town in Canada, but now I'm based in the city.
Perfect. It tells a story immediately.
What about age? In my culture, we say our age immediately.
In English speaking countries, we usually skip age unless we are children. It's a cultural tip. Focus on where you live and your name.
Good to know. I'll keep my age a secret then.
Now, here is the secret sauce. Here's the secret sauce. When people ask, tell me about yourself, use the PPF method.
PPF? Pizza, pasta, fries?
I wish. No, present, past, future. First, talk about the present. What do you do right now?
Okay, I am a teacher.
Too simple. Add an adjective. I'm a passionate English teacher.
I'm a passionate English teacher at Easy English for Beginners channel.
Boom. Now, past. How did you get there?
I have been teaching for 5 years because I love helping people.
Excellent. And future. What are you excited about?
And I'm looking forward to growing our community of students.
Tom, that was amazing. You sounded like a CEO.
Okay, but what if I'm at a party? I don't want to talk about work.
Great point. If it's casual, we switch the present to interests. But Tom, promise me one thing.
What?
Don't say, my hobby is.
Why not? It's grammatically correct.
It is, but native speakers rarely say it. It sounds like a textbook. Instead, say, I'm really into or I'm a big fan of.
Let me try. I'm really into old rock music.
Much better. Or try, in my free time, I usually.
In my free time, I usually play soccer with friends.
See, that flows naturally. Viewers, which one do you like? I'm into or in my free time? Let us know in the comments.
Can I talk about my cat, Milo?
Yes, but keep it brief. We call this the quick mention. Unless someone asks, don't spend 5 minutes talking about your cat's sleeping habits. Guilty. Try connecting it to your lifestyle.
I'm a dog person. I spend my weekends hiking with my dog, Rocky.
Beautiful. You combined your hobby with your pet. That is advanced level English. Now, if you want people to remember you, you need a fun fact.
Something weird?
Something unique. For example, I love pizza, but I actually hate cheese.
What? You hate cheese? That is crazy.
See, you want to talk to me now. Give me a fun fact, Tom.
Okay. I can speak a little bit of Japanese, but only words about food.
That is perfect. It makes people smile.
Okay, Anna, I'm ready. Ask me again.
Okay, pretend we are at a networking event. So, Tom, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm Tom. I'm originally from the countryside, but I've been living in the city for 5 years. I work as an English teacher, which I love because I get to meet students from all over the world. Outside of work, I'm really into playing soccer and trying to find the best pizza in town.
Wow. That was clear, confident, and interesting. Okay, Tom, you promised them the big mistake. What is it?
The biggest mistake students make is rambling.
Rambling.
Yes, talking for too long. A good introduction should be 30 to 45 seconds. If you talk for 5 minutes, the other person falls asleep. Keep it short and end with a question back to them. What about you?
That passes the ball back. What about you is the golden key to conversation. Now it's your turn. We don't want you just to watch, we want you to speak.
In the comments below, introduce yourself using this structure. I'm originally from, I work as, or I am a, I'm really into.
We will be reading and replying to the comments personally.
Yes, I want to know who is really into soccer like me.
If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. We release new conversation secrets every day.
And if you want to learn how to keep the conversation going after the introduction, click this video right here.
See you there. Bye for now.
Bye.